What's good? It's your boy back with another video. In my last video, I talked about picking a computer for digital artists, and I got a whole bunch of questions, comments about what if I don't actually have a computer? Can I still do digital art? The answer is yes, and let's talk about it. For digital art tips and tricks, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post videos every single Friday. So we're gonna start right off with using your phone as a substitute for your computer. Companies like XP Pen, Huion, Wacom have made it possible that you can actually use your phone paired with their tablet. Now we have these graphics tablets right here, the XP Pen G6 40S, XP Pen Star and Star Plus, XP Pen Deco, Deco Pro, Deco Mini. And then we have the Wacom One, which is a display tablet. And then we have the Huion Hs64. So I looked over the list of compatible phones, and it looks like they're mostly Samsung phones. And here's a list of them right here. Now, while I was reading through some of the sites like XP Pen and Huion, it seems like it's just a software update. You get the graphics tablet and you would update the software on it, and it can be compatible to your phone. Now we're going to be looking at the all-in-one type of tablet. It's where your computer and your drawing tablet is in one actual device. First off, we have the Samsung Tab A, and this was my first tablet getting into digital art. And you can see the type of art right here that I was making using this tablet. Right behind there we have the iPad Pro, or any iPad that's compatible with the Apple Pencil. And then we have the Microsoft Surface Pro line. Those are pretty good tablets. I've personally used some of those. And we have the Wacom Mobile Studio Pro. As you can see, this is a very expensive tablet, but all of these options that I just named, when you look at different artists and different pro artists, they have a home setup and then they have a away setup. And all of these options they would use in their away setup to supplement their home setup. So basically what I'm saying is that sooner or later you're gonna invest in a computer and in a tablet that you can have on your desk, because there are just certain things that you cannot do using all of these options right here. It's certain limitations that you're gonna have to overcome, you're gonna face. So that's why a lot of artists, they supplement these options like the iPad Pro, Surface Pro, Samsung tablet, all of that, they supplement that for when they are actually away from their studio or their home. But you can indeed get started with digital art, just like I did, using these options right here. Also, if you are feeling this t-shirt I got on right now, I am selling this t-shirt. It's gonna be down in the description below. I'm gonna put the link down now, so y'all can pick that up if y'all like the t-shirt. I hope you got some type of value out of this video today. Don't forget to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and as always, I'll holler at you next time. Believe that.